everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's Evelyn and Evelyn's Home Cooking. Today we are making avocado tuna salad and plus a light lemon dressing. Now I will show you all the ingredients. And here we go. Let's start. Okay, we will start first. We will slice the cucumber, large cucumber, and then just slice like this and like this only, and like this. Next, two medium avocado. Okay. It's very easy and very simple salad. And avocado, it's very easy also to take off the skin if the avocado is good. So, and then slice it only like this. So our avocado, it's very good avocado. I like avocado so much. Okay, and transfer it into a bowl. And next is add to the small red onion, slice like that. Okay. And add again the bowl. Okay. And a half bunch of coriander. Okay, we slice the coriander. Okay, it's good. It's very good. And then I will add the 2 cans of tuna in oil. And the oil you can drain and to make it without oil. So I will add to the bowl. Okay. Next, we will add the salad dressing. The salad dressing is olive oil, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/8 spoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Oh, wow. Wow, finish. And now we will combine it, everything. So our salad is complete. Very simple and very easy, and very easy to make a salad dressing. Very good and healthy food salad recipe. Okay, our avocado salad tuna is ready. Now I will take a little bit to taste my avocado salad, my avocado tuna salad. Oh, yummy, yummy. Really good, delicious. Everyone, if you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up down and subscribe my channel. Click the bell for the notification and see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.